Welcome to Product Critique, where today we're diving into one of the best toys from Outward Hound, the tough Skinz durable Squeaky dog toy in watermelon design. If you're looking for a toy that combines durability with the fun and softness your dog loves, this is definitely one to consider. Outward Hound has taken plush dog toys to the next level with their tough Skinz line, and this watermelon toy is a perfect example. What makes it stand out is its innovative construction featuring not one, but two tough layers on either side. There's a strong fused chew-resistant lining beneath the plush exterior, giving it that much-needed toughness to withstand even the most persistent chewers. Underneath that is a thick molded layer that adds extra strength, making it incredibly durable without sacrificing the plush feel dogs adore. The design is clever because it balances durability with the comforting softness that dogs enjoy when they cuddle or carry their toys around. It's also stuffing-free, which means less mess for you if your dog tends to rip toys apart. Inside, you'll find a jumbo squeaker that provides lots of excitement, keeping your dog entertained for longer play sessions. Every part of this toy is built to last. It's triple-stitched with covered seams to prevent easy tearing and to handle all kinds of rough play, whether it's tugging, tossing, or just good old-fashioned chewing. It's designed for all life stages and all breeds, so whether you have a small pup or a larger dog, the medium size offers a great fit and durability for active play. The toy weighs just over 5 ounces, making it lightweight enough for your dog to carry but sturdy enough to take the hits. At nearly 10 inches long, it's a good size to engage your dog and make fetching fun. Plus, the bright watermelon red color adds a vibrant touch to your dog's toy collection. Safety is also a priority here. The product contains one continuous thread to enhance durability, but if you notice the thread starting to unravel, it's advised to stop use to prevent any risk. The manufacturer stresses the importance of always supervising your dog during playtime and regularly inspecting the toy for any damage. No toy is completely indestructible, but this one certainly comes close for many dogs. Outward Hound's tough Skinz watermelon toy has been rigorously tested by determined chewers to ensure it holds up to rough play, making it a reliable choice for pet parents seeking a balance between fun and toughness. The combination of plush comfort, tough layers, and a loud squeaker makes this toy a favorite for dogs who love to chew but also want a soft toy to snuggle. In summary, the Outward Hound Tough Skinz durable Squeaky dog toy is a well-designed, innovative product that brings together plush softness with exceptional durability. It's perfect for dogs that enjoy interactive play, whether that's fetch, tug-of-war, or solo chewing sessions. The stuffing-free design and jumbo squeaker make it a low-mess, high-fun option, and its construction promises longer-lasting enjoyment than typical plush toys. If you want a toy that offers your dog endless fun without constantly needing replacement, this watermelon-themed tough Skinz toy should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and stay tuned for more honest reviews on the best products out there.